Hey there everybody, if you clicked on this video, you probably want to know how to make payments with the Barclays app. Well, look no further because that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Well, making payments with the Barclays app is pretty easy and simple, so without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, what you need to do is open the application in your device and log into your account. In the next step, what you need to do is choose Pay and Transfer. You have to select Pay and Transfer, which you can find from the main menu. And now what you need to do is select a payee. Now to pay someone you have already paid before, choose your name from the recent payee list. Or if you're trying to pay a new person, select Add New Payee. Now in the next step, enter payment details. Now for new payees, you need to enter their payment details. The Barclays app itself provides tips to help protect you from fraud and scams. Acknowledge this information before proceeding, and then click on Continue. In the next step, what you need to do is enter the payment amount. Enter the amount that you are looking to pay. You can also add a reference that will appear on both of your statements. Now in the following next step, you have to choose payment type. You need to decide if this is a one-off payment or a standing order, and then select Review Payment. In the next and final step, you need to confirm your payment. For new payees, you may need your debit card for additional security checks. Kindly double check all the details and then tap Confirm Payment. And that's pretty much it. Making payments with the Barclays app is quick and secure. I hope this video helped you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.